It's your money.
Your money. Yes. What you do? You steal, huh?
Huh?
You do that. You
Yes,
steal, huh? I steal.
I steal, Baba.
Hey, my people, how na dey? Also na dey fine. This video one I just watch, so I go put am for una. I believe say most of una don see am. One of our sisters don enter one chance for Libya. He don enter one chance for Libya. He go thief money. I don't know wetin dey worry some of our people. Una know say that country wey una dey, that Libya, they no get their head no correct o. Arab country. Arab country, their head dey get as e be o. Okay, you dey work for somewhere where you dey work for there, you could still go dey thief. Wetin make you go dey thief? And that country, when they all those kind thing wey be say thief and all gbogbo, they no dey use am take dey play o. They just carry you go throw away you for inside their prison for there. If they no even kpai you sef, na luck na you go get. I don't know wetin dey do some of our people na comot for house. If the place wey una dey no good, you no come back home. Wetin go make you go thief? Make dem carry the money go Nigeria, and they must know. They go know. If maybe na borrow now, that one still dey different. You no be say you go borrow, you ask, you take am for this thing, for where they keep money. They say make dem carry am go Nigeria. You na see why be say our country no better pass Libya. I no know, I just dey ask. I never go Libya before. E no better pass Libya. If they say make dem talk am, maybe their money fit high pass our own. But if you see the environment and gbogbo, I believe say our own good pass. I believe say our own good pass. Now because of all this our bad leaders, now not many people wey be say our own Nigeria people wey dey for kiri for that Libya, they many, no be small thing. They many. Sometimes I'll see some video, I go use and say, oh my head, say, God. Some go say they don't dey for inside there for 3 years. Some say they don't dey for there for 5 years. So come sling, they come me like, God, I beg. And our embassy no dey do anything. They no dey do anything. They like look for people wey be say they are citizens, make they take them go home. Many people dey wey be say then dey for Africa country, they want come home. They want come back. But because of say they don't get money and they no fit come back, they stranded for there. Our embassy no dey do anything. Like this one now wey be say e go thief now. Now only God know. Because Arab country. Me I not just like when it comes to that Arab country. Me I not like how because their head e get as it dey o. E get their head, e get their they do their thing. Many people full that Libya where be say then they stranded. Many, not be saying na 1, 2. They many. So no fit come back home. So no fit contact their family. So don't even they call for the country say their brain not come they correct again. They just they do one or two things for road. Just they work out they go. They don't even know where they dey again. But the one women they talk about where our embassy were supposed to represent us, they not there. They not consign them. Even though they even write themselves, they not go even listen. I not see say very dark man. I go Ivory Coast, certain Ivory Coast go they pack many guests where be say they throw away for that side underage where they just abandon. They no even care. Nobody even care to bring them come. Now very dark man I come pay money where they be say they want to carry all those girls come back home. So go come out just because of say they want enter abroad. But they'll come stranded for there. Normally, if you dey stranded, you need to go your embassy. Now your house na be that. Tell them say, I want come back home. I believe say they not go even mind them. They go say if you want go back now, make you go. And where they know say money not there with them. Now these things now they cost some. This girl now where go thief now, where be say they can't even carry camera. Thank God say they even video and so they go see say if anything happens, say maybe the girl they not see her, they go see person to because many of our guests will just they buy because of all these things. Say maybe he go thief, he carry money for where they work, he carry and go Niger, they go buy him, just bury him for there. Nothing, nobody go know where the person there. You know if you find now, not be person where you see now you go they find they go. Person where you not can see again uncle. Or where they no even video. Like this one now where the video now, he use the man to saying he thief. I just pray say maybe say the fit put am for prison, then from there they leave am make they go, because that country wey dem dey call Arab country, I no know our people wey be say dem get mind to go dey stay that side. Una dey try o, because e get the way wey dem take dey. I no be say I dey support am say go thief o, but our bad leader wey we get, our bad leader, our people dem dey for many countries, dem dey stranded, because of say the country no good. If country good, person go dey run dey go. Person no dey run, go stay for house na. I will put this video, make una watch this video, make una even show the money wey be say e thief. E don send some go house o, but this one na the one wey be say e come remain, wey be say maybe e wan still carry go. I will put am for una, make una watch as dem video everything. Arab country. Make una be careful, not do the way you say maybe you dey do for your country o. They no get head o. Those country, they no just get head. Take it or leave it. Now make many people just dey fear them. Una bye for now. Please send me to love and like and share this video. I appreciate each and everyone. May I put the video for now.
Where's your passport?
My passport
Yes.
is at home.
Huh?
Is at home.
Where?
At home, my house.
My house here.
No, not this place.
Where?
House in Libya.
A bring passport. How much you want to take this woman?
Which woman?
The woman come here, how much you have?
I gave her 500. Yes, she sent it home.
Yeah.
500. I did not say 5,000. I did not know how to say.
How much you give
no,
her?
No, like Baba, it's not 5,000.
From where you take the money?
From your money.
From where?
Your money.
From my room, huh?
Yes, your
yeah.
money.
How much
I
you
gave her 500. 500. That is, I don't know how to say it in Arabic. And I gave you 4,000 now.
Yeah, you give 4,000.
Yes. No. And
from where you take my 4,000?
It's your money.
Your money. Yes. What you do? You steal, huh?
Huh?
You do the business, huh? You
yes,
steal, huh? I steal.
I steal, Baba.
Yeah, you steal, huh?
Yes, and the woman that is coming now.
Yeah.
I gave her 156. I think maybe it's 156 or 146 that I gave. I don't understand. But if she comes, she will bring all the money that I gave her.
You're a thief. You're a thief?
Yes.
You're a thief?
Yes.
Speak, I am thief.
I am thief.
I
am thief.
Are you right?
Yes, I'm right. I know that I'm thief, but...
Are you thief, huh? Yes. You are alone, huh?
Nigerians still this kind of money inside Arabu house. Can't you see? This is very too much. Gold. See gold. This is Nigeria, we are doing too much in this country. So this how we said Arabic is not good. And dollar. This is very too much and bad.